What should a fresh graduate do now to be good at M&A? So see, you have to learn these skills, right? So you have to learn how to do a due diligence, how to draft these agreements, how is the negotiation done, what are the different things that are negotiated, different clauses that are drafted, negotiated. You have to learn about the deal compliance, so that what are the compliances that must be done. That's also important to understand. Okay, then of course, due diligence, we said deal structuring. You should understand different kind of deal structuring that happens, why they happen, what is the benefit of one structure over another in a certain situation. So if you know these things and you know how to do this work, then you'll definitely stand out in any internship, or even if you're giving an interview at a junior level, then you will be able to explain what is being done and why it is being done and how to do it. So that really makes a big difference. If you, and you know, you don't always have to start from a big law firm. You can get a job in a smaller place, of course, right? You can get a job in a smaller place and start from there and start working and then get experience and then move to a bigger law firm. That is what many people do actually, right? So that is also possible. But commercial aspects, you can start reading some blog posts and stuff like that. Try to see the deals that have happened in the past and the commercial. It's hard, honestly, to learn that way, but you can at least get some senses if you want to do it. But otherwise, you'll have to, you know, go to a more structured training session to learn. And you have to learn it with respect to specific things. Like, for example, depending on the commercial aspect, how the structuring of the deal change, or how will the indemnity clauses change, or the representations and warranties you take, how will those change? You know, would there be a drag along or tag along clause, or how will the language be different in different situations? So you have to learn it like that by drafting and getting feedback, which is what happens in our course, because we'll give you different commercial situations, we'll give you contracts to draft, we'll give you clauses to draft, then we'll give you specific feedback. Our experts will give you feedback that in this case, this is how you draft, but in this case, it's different. And when you draft, you will get line by line feedback, so you learn from them. So this is how we teach. Otherwise, if you can find a mentor, they know they have done this work, they can sit you down and give you some coaching. That is also possible if you can find something. How can we know all the steps like due diligence, etc. without any course? Try to read blogs. There is a lot of information available on the internet, free information also. So you can try doing that, but and you can find somebody who's an expert. Like, you find somebody who's practicing M&A for 2, 3 years, 4 years. If they sit you down and give you some lectures, you can learn that way. So, but how else? I don't think there's any other way you can learn. There may be some books you can read to get some information at least. That is possible.